Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a simple double crochet stitch pattern. I am using this yarn ball and a 5mm crochet hook. You can use any type of yarn or crochet hook. I am using a cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot with this yarn and then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. In this way I have made total of 22 chains for my project. You have to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. This loop will not be counted as anything, and into the second chain from the hook make a single crochet. After that make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, yarn over and pull back through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Make another double crochet into the same chain where we have made a single crochet and make third double crochet into the same chain where we have made our single crochet. So now we have 3 double crochets. Skip 1, 2, 3, 3 chains and into the fourth one make a single crochet. This is how our work look like. Now again make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same chain. Skip 3 chains and into the fourth one make a single crochet stitch. After that again make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same chain. Skip 3 and into the fourth one make a single crochet. So in this way complete the first row. Again make 3 chains, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same space where we have made single crochet. Skip 3 into the next one, make single crochet and again repeat the process of making 3 chains and 3 double crochets into the chain where we have made single crochet stitch. And after that skip 3 and into the last chain we have make single crochet. So our first row is completed. This is how our first row look like. Now make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. So now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and turn your work, and now we would work into the chain 3, not in the double crochet stitch. So this is the 1, 2 and 3. This is the third chain. So we would work into this third chain, make a single crochet into this third chain and after that make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and now into the next third chain right here make a single crochet again. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a single crochet into the third chain. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a single crochet into the third chain. Again repeat the process and make a single crochet into the third chain. Which is the last third chain. So make a single crochet right here. Now we have 5 spaces. Make 3 chains. Turn the work for the third row and into this single crochet stitch which we have made in the third chain of the last row. Again make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 and make a single crochet into that single crochet stitch which is next. Now make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into this single crochet stitch of the previous row and again make a single crochet stitch into the next single crochet stitch of the previous row and now repeat the process of making 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets into the single crochet stitch and by making single crochet into the next single crochet stitch. So complete the row according to this process. By the way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. You will find daily crochet tutorials of every kind on my channel, so please do subscribe. Now make 3 chains and make 3 double crochets into this single crochet stitch and then make a single crochet into the last stitch. Now we would work again into this single crochet stitch, so make 3 chains and make 3 double crochet stitches into this single crochet stitch and after that we would make a single crochet into the third chain which is the turning chain which we have counted as a double crochet. So make a single crochet into this third chain. Now for the increasing this pattern, just repeat the row second and third and get the required length of your own. So I have made a few rows of this pattern. So if you like this pattern, please give our video huge thumbs up. You can use this pattern in many of the projects like scarves, summer scarves or any type of product. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.